I thought that was really well organized. I think it's a great idea, strong early traction, and it was very nice to hear a distribution plan as well. Opportunities for improvement. I thought the slides had a nice color scheme, but overall the design did need improvement. Numbers, for example, were too small on some slides. Like the amount of time it was taking was in the bottom right of one slide, for example. The whole of the slide was perhaps devoted to pointing to that number. We need to learn the words. There was a couple of times where it kind of broke down a little bit. Maybe have the bullet points ready to go, even if you don't want to do a word-for-word copy each time. Don't mix projections and current revenue. There was a couple of times where those things overlapped, and we want to be careful about doing that. We want to make it really clear, is it our plans versus what's actually signed for? I thought that we could have a much simpler competition slide, perhaps focusing on one difference versus the rest of the market. And then don't put the raise amount on the slide. That's going to change depending on who you're talking to. You are limiting yourself with that slide that says what the particular amount is you're hoping for. Nice job. Well done, Michelle.